one last question.
Yeah, go ahead. Last question.
Some time ago, I heard Rabbi Reuven mention that a person that is going through conversion may have a bunch of I don't know if he said kitrugim or mekatakim on top of him, looking after him constantly. But I was wondering, why is that? Is it because the person is doing things that he's not allowed, like studying things he's not allowed, or?
No, we have to see this here in context. Why exactly he said so. I mean, it's not easy, because it's when you're trying to go to the higher spiritual level, it's always going to be a test. You understand? Just to pass any exam, it's a test. You have to be ready. So, and for Jew or non-Jew, so it's not supposed to be easy. If it's too easy, there is something wrong. In like if we would have nothing like would stop us. So I mean, like some challenges. If there are no challenges and everybody's saying yes to you and everybody just applaud you, or thumbs up, it's like there is something wrong. It means that Satan is running the show. But if you have all of this obstacle in your life and it's failing, like I was working on this project for 5 months and I was always like, it's almost done. And today this email, it's not so much done. It's another failure or whatever. It's like at least delay. So you have to like try to fix it. But because I know it's very big mitzvah, it's very holy things, whatever we're trying to do. So of course it is a little disappointed, but that's normal. So if it would be everything would be smooth, I would be very cautious. Something is wrong. Yeah, understand? That's our way. So when a person wants to purify himself, and before he or she was the best or one of the soldiers of Satan or Yitzhak, and now that person wants to be holy and one of the soldiers of HaShem, that's he does not like it. Like when somebody is trying to steal employees, right? So I remember, like in my company where I work, when somebody is would declare I'm going to another company, and so the boss, like president or somebody, would call them to office and try to give him better offer, like why are you leaving, this and that. So, and some people would stay, and later on they would kicked out, all of them. Like all of them, or they would put them like under pressure. If they give them more money, like you cheap, whatever, they give them more money, they're going to create like a very bad job environment, right? So, but people, so it was like a rule. So if you decided to leave the company, just go. Even they offer you double here, go, because it's only a matter of time. They will take they're going to avenge their honor. Like how come you were like you want to leave us? You understand? So that's same as in our situation. You want to go like from this side to that side. That side is going to offer you a lot of incentives to stay, right, and a lot of obstacles for you not to go to the side of holiness, to the side of Hashem. That's normal, but we always have to like have it on the top of the mind. That's just what was going on. Like in my project that today, like when I heard this happen, of course I got upset for 3 minutes, but then I read the whole email. I said, okay, maybe that's not bad, not that bad. It's not complete failure. It's just delayed, this and that. So we have to like start again, even stronger. You understand? That's normal. So if you have this approach in life, these disappointments are not going to bother you so much. It's opposite. It would be like an encouragement that you go into the right direction. Okay. What else? Okay. I guess let's stop here. How many things to do? Yes.